Hi guys, and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to call with a hidden number from iPhone on another phone. So here I have an iPhone 15 Pro Max and here I have an Samsung. And to call from iPhone to another phone with a hidden number, for that you need to go on your phone to settings and here just swipe and go to apps. Again here look for the phone app and here there is. And now go again down, swipe, and we have here show my caller ID. Okay, now this is turn it on, but if you turn off this caller ID and now exit, and I will call on the other phone. Now it's calling and let's see. As you can see, now we have here private number. Now I will stop the call and I will go back and enable back show my caller ID, and let's call again. And now as you can see we have the contact and also the number. Okay, so it is very easy in my opinion. I hope this video to be useful for you. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next video. Have a nice day.